Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Friday, the 25th of January 2019. So yesterday in the pound, this moving lower, and then Brexit news again. The market bounced. You can see them buying in here. Volume's very high. Market coming off the low. Got the test before it as well. So the market bounces. This isn't new buying. This is short covering from those that were short, because it's followed by further selling after, and the market then resumes the downtrend that it already started earlier in the session. So a bit of news there. However, overnight you can see the market sitting on the 200 bar moving average. You can see it breaking through both of the other averages and the DP to continue moving higher. And at the moment, price is trading around the high of yesterday, which you can see in the daily chart. And we're now above the 200 bar moving average at the moment of the 200 bar average. Will prices remain above this? Well, only time will tell, but it's certainly an interesting area, as we spoke about yesterday. So keep an eye on this area if you are a buyer. No news today at all, so let's move on to the Dow. Start off with the daily chart here, just so you get an idea of where we are in the bigger picture. The market's been sideways. Very interesting volume for yesterday. Very narrow range, considering what volatility we've had for the last few weeks. So really narrow. 76% getting in the way again yesterday. However, things have changed overnight, which I'll show you in a moment. So here we've got the Dow in the pre-market session. Let me just drag this across. It was fairly steady in the pre-market, and then we had this drop on news at 1:30 yesterday, and then through the 200 bar came back. It was a resistance. Market moving lower. Then we've got the buying pressure here. We've also got this here as well. If we go from there to the high, you'll see the market stopping at the 76% retracement. More buying there. Prices then move high. We've got the 200 bar moving average in the way, but we get through this, but then we're confronted by double top resistance. Prices come back through the 200 bar moving average, and once again, if we go from the low to the high, the market stops at 76% retracement. The market then moves to the upside, and guess what? The market stops from this high down to this low at the 76% retracement, makes its way back through the averages there. You get another 76% retracement here before prices are brought back before the end of the session. No surprise there, as we've seen many times before. Through the 200 bar on the overnight, then slam back through. However, things have changed, as you can see here. Eventually we got through. We got some selling pressure here, but price is managing to revert and go back through the 200 bar moving average. Big push there of over 50 points on the overnight, and we now find ourselves attempting to get through the 76% retracement here. So bigger picture wise, watch for the 200 bar moving average as in the pound. See how both markets fare at this level. I'd expect this to break out to the upside and continue to try and get back to those all-time highs. That's been the agenda for the last 10 years. And I don't see it changing anytime soon. And finally, Bitcoin doing absolutely nothing. The range even narrower than it has been of late, so there's no point in looking at this in any detail. And yeah, that will do it for this one and for this week. So have a great weekend. I will see you on Monday, and as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.